everyone. Welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, back at it again on this lovely Thursday, ready for some news, ready to tell you guys everything that's going on. And we are popping. The market is in the green today. And speaking of green, speaking of looking at the markets, we are sponsored by the lovely, none other than Market Cipher. Check out Market Cipher. Link is in the live chat and in the description. Use code missteencrypto or code Zesty and using that link in the live chat in the description for 20% off. We gotta love 20% off at checkout. Guys, again, please, we have a goal of 100 likes and 100 live viewers. We already have like a quarter of that going. We have a poll up in the chat as well. What are your feelings on the markets? Bullish or bearish? We have a lot more votes on the poll than we do likes, so hopefully we could change that around and continue to get zesty with it. I want to say hi to everyone in the chat, so please make sure you say hello if you're here. Again, friends on TikTok, give me a follow if you can, and head over to youtube.com/missteencrypto. Also around 12:30 in like 20 minutes-ish, we're going to have a zesty guest on the show. We're going to have Crypto Jack come on and talk more about the charts. Of course, I'm going to do like some of my usual charts at the beginning, but I want to have someone more in-depth, someone that could tell us maybe a little bit more about what's going on right now. I want to say hi to Randy Board Type Crow. He said, let's crow. Thank you for coming. BBB in the chat. Thanks for coming. Crypto Outcast, Colin McKenzie. We got Bullduck out here. Thank you for coming. Wow, we got some friends in here. Flat Smack, Willie B. Long, thank you for coming. I appreciate it. Brian Maver, new Uniswap is out. All right, cool. We got Flat Smack and Nifty Guy in the chat. Alexandra G, thanks for coming, girl. All right, let's get after it. We got Lee in the chat. And anyone else? We have Orlando, of course, with the hearts in there. Thank you for the hearts, Orlando. We got Matthew GM, nice to see you. And RustyBot and KG, what's up? And Cool Cat Crypto. All right, B Team Crypto, thank you for coming. All right, let's get after it, guys. We're going to talk about news. We're going to talk about everything going on in the space. Flip and Keys, welcome to the show as well. I don't know if I've seen you in the chat before. If you have been here, then forgive me, my friend. Flying Tiger, thank you for coming as well. Wow, we have some cool people here today. Thank you guys so much for coming. Again, friends, please make sure to smash these likes, share the stream out with friends if you could do so, and be so kind to us. Again, we have a goal of 100 likes and 100 live viewers. I'm excited. We're going to talk about everything going on in crypto, everything going on in news today. And let me just tell you guys, it is so nice outside. I went outside today, like last week, guys. I was wearing a jacket. I was cold. It was like 30 degrees out at night, Fahrenheit. It was chilly. And then now, I went outside today in a regular dress, and it was beautiful. It was like perfect. So I just want to shout that out. If you're on the West Coast especially, go outside. Please go outside and touch some grass or something, because the air is beautiful. Sometimes fresh air is good. We can't be plebs behind our desk all the time. Justin Eubanks, yo, thank you for coming. You're on time today. Tom G, what's up, man? Thank you for coming. I appreciate it. And we have, I think someone else said something here. Okay. All right. We're going to get into the chat. Oh, Meninja, thank you for coming. Appreciate it, fam. Okay. So we're going to talk about a few things, talk about some news, and then Jack is going to come on. Oh, B-Team, what's up? We're going to talk about charts, then we're going to do some news, talk about more charts with Crypto Jack, and then we're going to talk about some more news after he hops out. I'm very excited to get some TA in a little while. All right. 1 second, fam. What is going on here? Give me a second. All right. There we go. Okay. For some reason, it only pops up with CoinMarketCap. All right. We got Bitcoin right now, $30,470 Bitcoin. Really spicy, up 2% today about, wow, would you look at Bitcoin? We are so happy for Bitcoin. And even earlier, I tweeted something like, do you guys feel a Bitcoin pump coming? So again, make sure you answer that poll in the chat. But we're breaking out of this little range that we had, or the lower end of this range was $26,950. About the top of our range was about $28,450. Broke above it, guys. What are we up from that point where we kind of broke out? We're up about 7.8% in literally the past 3 or 4 days. Don't we love to see it, my friends? Don't we love to see it? I'm very excited for what is in store for Bitcoin. I just feel something like really good about to happen. If we could take a look at Market Cipher as well, we have money flow in the green, staying in the green for right now, and that's good. That means money's coming into the market. We had a long time where we were just in the red in terms of money flow, which made sense because we were just sideways trading for a while, and I feel like there wasn't a lot of liquidity in the market at that point. I don't know. Can Bitcoin make another move like it did down here, where it was just a leg up, then another candle consolidation, another candle consolidation? Listen, can that happen? I think anything could happen. You know, where you have Bitcoin sitting here, we had a nice pump up, maybe some consolidation, then a nice pump, consolidation. I don't know. That's typically how Bitcoin goes. And oh my gosh, Big Dog, thank you for sending me a galaxy. That's so nice of you. I love that. That was so sick. I'm sorry I had to interrupt my charts. That was just so sick what happened over on TikTok. Thank you, Big Dog. That could happen with Bitcoin. This is what's been happening with Bitcoin pretty much since I've been in this space. It's just a pump, consolidation, a pump, and it kind of just follows that track. I mean, even here, sideways trading for so long, then a pop. Sideways trading, then a pop. Some sideways trading. Does this lead to another pop? Of course, maybe not. Maybe this is false. Maybe we just trickle down again. Who knows? At the end of the day, got to be ready for Bitcoin because Bitcoin does what it wants when it wants. Now, I know the chat right now is popping about Ethereum, so I'm not going to waste any time. Let's head over to Ethereum. We had these points highlighted where there were resistance points that Ethereum was facing. We were even talking about it the other day, where yesterday we were even saying this point, $1,930 Ethereum is a resistance point. But then we broke above it, which I really loved seeing. So people expected this after this Shanghai upgrade, things were going to go south for Ethereum. There were going to be so much selling pressure on the market. But people really don't know what the Shanghai upgrade is all about and don't really know how it works. So there wasn't that much selling pressure on the market in reality, which I'm happy about because now we have a little bit of a breakout here. Up 4% today, Ethereum, but it seems as though it just doesn't like the $2,000 number. We hit $2,000 Ethereum, but we just can't stay there. We're at $1,998 Ethereum. What the frick, Ethereum? What are you doing, dude? We could look at the hourly and what's been happening on the hourly here. We had a nice little pop, and we didn't even have, we had 1 hourly close above 2,000 at $2,006. But again, we just couldn't stay there. This is the 4-hour chart. Again, we had some bullish volume coming into the market, but almost some bearish volume to kind of even it out. Have a little bit of a curve there. Will it make like a little semicircle? I don't know. But at the end of the day, I feel like Ethereum has a lot of bullish momentum, especially because people thought it was going to dump after this upgrade, when in reality, it did pretty much nothing. We went up a little bit. We went up like $50 for Ethereum. Of course, $2,000 Ethereum is a psychological level, but even if you, again, watch these smaller time frames, it doesn't want to hit the $2,000 mark. It's just very, very resistant to do that. It like taps $2,000 and then doesn't want it anymore. You see, guys, this $2,000 mark, we've been struggling to maintain it. Ethereum just doesn't want to stay at $2,000. Every time it hits $2,000, it falls right under. Like right now, we're at $1,998. I've been seeing this all morning. Overall, we take a look at we're back on the daily here, trying to make it look more cute. Market Cipher saying we got some green and money flow, which you could expect. People are very happy right now. So hopefully this bullish momentum keeps up. Hopefully Ethereum could just break above $2,000 without hesitation and maintain it. Maybe like $2,100 Ethereum, you could feel more secure, I guess, with that. But it's pretty much it is what it is. Thank you, Ninja, for the 100 emoji. Makes me feel better about Ethereum not wanting to hit $2,000. It just doesn't like it. Why, Ethereum? Why? It's going to be okay, ETH. We'll support you. We'll be here for you. Guys, please tell ETH we'll be there for it. Please. Be supportive for ETH in the chat. We got Litecoin today, $93.97. Let's go, Litecoin. Let's go, Litecoin. Litecoin's up 1.99%, basically 2%. And shout out to Charlie Lee. Today is Charlie Lee's birthday. He's an absolute icon. He is the creator of Litecoin. So shout out to Charlie Lee. We're in the green for Charlie Lee's birthday. Charlie Lee is an absolute icon. He's done so much for Bitcoin. He's done so much for cryptocurrency in general. and we should all be celebrating him today. So I could actually, I don't know. You guys should go on the Litecoin Foundation or Litecoin's Twitter if you want to see one of their birthday posts for him and just say happy birthday to Charlie Lee. Give him some love. Again, basically $94 Litecoin today. We had this little resistance point of like $90 and I think $91, $94 and 90 something cents seems to be the new resistance point right here. $96. I would say 96 seems to be the new resistance for Litecoin. Hopefully, we could just break above that. We could just have a nice breakout for Litecoin, have a nice breakout for Charlie Lee's birthday. Get $100 Litecoin back. I want $100 Litecoin back. That would be so beautiful. It's only $6 away. Listen, again, it's only $6 away. If Litecoin wanted to make a move right now, absolutely it could. Ethereum wants to make it move, it could. And especially we know Litecoin is known for not trading with Bitcoin. It typically sometimes outperforms Bitcoin, or it pumps before Bitcoin pumps, or it dumps before Bitcoin dumps. So we've seen some patterns with Litecoin. I think Litecoin is so zesty. Sound money. Again, shout out to Charlie Lee. And no, he did not outsell at the top, Lee. You could actually check out a clip that I posted with Charlie Lee. He was on my podcast. He did not sell the top, and that is fun. So again, listen, people try to find anything to try to maybe sheesh on Litecoin, but at the end of the day, it's proof of work. 84 million Litecoin to ever exist. It's the longest running blockchain with 100% uptime, which even Bitcoin can't say. It's faster and cheaper to use than most cryptocurrencies, on top of OmniLite and MWeb. So I wouldn't sheesh on Litecoin. Don't sleep on it. Again, you had $40 Litecoin in June, and now we're at $94 Litecoin. Do not sleep on it, guys. Do not sleep on the tech. Listen, I'm not telling you to buy Litecoin, sell Litecoin. Nothing about this is financial advice. I'm saying don't sleep on it in terms of the tech. Now, I want to say hi to some people in the chat. I see more people popped in here. We got Cool Cat Crypto saying, don't sleep on Bitcoin. Got you. All right, we got Phil, Don Ward, No G, what's good? Nice to see you. And Jimmy W, the cool kid. Thank you for coming, Jimmy. Hola, hola. Who else in the chat? 3 Diglets, get them ETH. Yes, of course, that's what we're doing, fam. Thank you again, Meninja, for the $1 super chat. I really do appreciate it. All right. Yes, I agree with you, Willie B. 2K is major psychological resistance for Ethereum if you guys take a look. Yeah, take a look at Ethereum right now. You could definitely say this is some psychological resistance for sure. 1 second, friends. All right. There we go. Just had to reboot my picture really quick so that way Crypto Jack could come in here later. All right. There we go. Sorry, just had to adjust that real quick. But yeah, $2,000, I've been saying it for a while, is a major psychological level for Ethereum, being that it's almost half of what it was at its all-time high. Just like 30K right now is a huge psychological level for Bitcoin. You think people aren't wanting to FOMO into Bitcoin right now? You're crazy. You're absolutely crazy. Now, again, you have the Shanghai upgrade. It's complete, and it's starting the new era of staking withdrawals for Ethereum. So this is the Shanghai hard fork, also referred to as Shapella, and it's been finalized, enabling withdrawals for users who have staked their Ethereum to secure and validate transactions on the blockchain. Roughly half an hour after it was activated, there were some 285 withdrawals and about $10 million worth of ETH. Again, in this proof-of-stake system, users stake cryptocurrency as a form of a guarantee to help secure and confirm new data blocks. Last year, the blockchain left behind its original proof-of-work consensus, the same as the one Bitcoin uses, but until now, users have been able to withdraw their staked Ether or redeem accrued rewards as a crucial feature of the new paradigm. Beautiful. So the Shanghai upgrade, again, or Shapella, it went off without a hitch. People thought, oh my gosh, so much is going to happen. Basically, nothing happened. Now we're just fighting with $2,000 Ethereum. Some other big news, friends. eToro has launched a new hashtag partnership with Twitter that will enable users to see real-time prices for a much wider range of stocks, crypto and other assets, as well as having the option to invest through eToro at Elon Musk. I actually commented there. I said, let's go eToro. And they replied to me with a little shabam, because it is a little bit of a shabam right there. Like, that is so cool. Now, listen, Twitter, crypto, we know those things are combined. Crypto, Twitter. It's only inevitable that Elon Musk is doing more with crypto. We know he's not finished with DOGE, and DOGE has been holding its value pretty good on the charts here. We're at like over 8.5 cents right now. It seems like 9 cents seems to be a little bit of a resistance here, or 0.089 cents. Super duper interesting. Now, before we have Crypto Jack come on, I want to talk about FTX. All of a sudden, fam, maybe like, SBF took his afro and just, said, here's some money, just shake it out of there. But I'm just kidding. But apparently FTX recovered $7.3 billion in assets and will consider rebooting the exchange. Do you guys not remember John Ray of FTX saying that he wanted to reopen FTX? He was saying that months ago. In January, John Ray was saying that stakeholders wanted a round two, saying that they wanted a chance to reboot the exchange and maybe get customers their money back. Quote, we'll do it. So this, again, has been an idea they plan to get in your head, guys, in January. They said, listen, man, you might be able to have FTX back. Now, do you trust FTX? Please let me know in the chat. Do you guys trust FTX to be able to custody your funds? For me, I'm not sure. But somehow they recovered $7.3 billion in liquid assets. A March filing from the debtors reported that 4 FTX company silos had roughly $4.8 billion in scheduled assets as of November 2022, with an investigation into the assets that are ongoing. According to a legal team, the FTX will also consider restarting the crypto exchange sometime in the second quarter of 2024. That's such a joke. Suggesting a reboot as early as April. John Ray, the CEO, was reportedly mulling over reviving the bankrupt exchange in January, like we were just referring to. The price of FTT absolutely surged from $1.32 to $2.80. At the same time, lawyers announced a potential reboot of the exchange, an increase of more than 12%. The token price largely stayed between 1 and 2.
I don't trust the FTX, Mom.
Yeah, Diglets. I'm with you, dude. Thank you for your $10 super chat. Super grateful. I don't trust them either. At the same time of the hearing, a judge denied a motion that would have allowed the court to prioritize reimbursing the CEO and his legal fees. He left the door open for SBF to present evidence to the court in the future regarding the motion. Frankly, I have zero evidence to establish cause here, Judge John Dorsey said. Mr. Bankman-Fried did not put out any evidence whatsoever as to the balancing of the equities here. What harm is going to occur to him? I don't know what other insurance policies he has access to. I don't know what other assets he has access to privately that would allow him to cover these costs and then recover them later under his policy. Now, again, the judge said that there's no evidence that SBF needs his $10 million insurance policy. Because again, he doesn't want to pay his own legal bills. Sam Bankman-Fried said he can reimburse his legal bills with FTX insurance for at least right now. The bankruptcy court denied his motion to access the $10 million insurance policy during a hearing yesterday. He asked the judge to lift a stay on FTX's director and officer liability insurance policy, which would allow the company's insurance providers to assess his claims and possibly reimburse his legal costs. Quote, I have no choice but to deny the motion for lack of evidence, and I will do so without prejudice. If Mr. Bankman-Fried wants to come back and put on an evidentiary hearing that would establish elements necessary for me to lift the automatic stay, he's free to do so, but we'll deal with that another day, Dorsey said during a hearing in the U.S. Bankruptcy Court for the District of Delaware. The former crypto mogul pleaded not guilty to all the criminal charges. Lawyers for FTX noted that other current and former employees of the crypto exchange are also eligible for the insurance and said it would be unfair for Bankman-Fried to have special access to the policy. So again, he's not only is he tried not to give money back to people, but he's also trying to take insurance money from his own employees. So all the other people that are under fire, SBF doesn't care about them. And let's look at Alameda Research. Alameda is going to be repaid $53 million in their Deltec loan. FTX's trading arm, Alameda Research, should be repaid nearly $53 million for a loan originally made in 2021 to Deltec International Group, a Delaware-based bankruptcy court judge ruled on Wednesday. The federal court is attempting to unwind its affairs of the FTX after it filed for bankruptcy protection in November. Deltec is a Cayman Islands company whose banking arm serves stablecoin company Tether. And is hereby authorized and directed to pay Alameda an amount equal to $53 million plus around $10,500 in interest per day, says Judge John Dorsey. The original payment of $50 million USDT is the Tether stablecoin was made from Alameda to Deltec in 2021, and this was proved by FTX Digital Markets co-chief executive officer Ryan Salami, purporting as a director of a further company called Norton Hall. And John Ray, a restructuring expert, reportedly said that Alameda had fabricated portfolio reports and records of loans and other financial transactions made by the company were inaccurate, contradictory, or missing entirely. So again, there was literally nothing written down. Period. Nothing written down. A spokesperson for Deltec told CoinDesk it had been attempting a sale since December, but needed guidance on exactly which entity to repay. Given the uncertainties in the paperwork, because nothing was set up, bank accounts weren't correct. Nothing was correct. It's all false. All false. Now, friends, what are you guys saying in the chat? I would love to know what you guys are saying here. We got Kenny O in the chat. Thank you for coming. Lee, FTX will always have SBF and Gary Wang under founders, and that's enough for me to hard pass. Yep. I see you, fam. But listen, we know they were trying to reboot the exchange. But would you trust them? I don't know if the trust is there for FTX. I did put up a tweet yesterday. Would people be into trading on FTX? And surprisingly, a lot of people said yes. What?
Because we love what you do for us and want to you keeping going. Much heart, praying gesture, thank you. Hashtag givers gain.
Yo. What? Billy? Well, sheesh. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow. I'm bewildered. Thank you so much. That is super sweet of you, man. Crypto Billy, much love to you. And I see you're always in other chats too, and you're always so positive. So thank you so much. I appreciate you with my whole heart. My whole heart. Thank you. I'm gonna throw some nice emojis in the chat for you. Thank you so much, Billy. I really do appreciate it. Guys, can you please throw 100 emoji in the chat or a heart for Billy? That would be so amazing. $50 is a solid stack of corn. Yeah, that's a lot of sats. I have the beholder 100%. What's up, Mark Lane? Will I use FTX? Absolutely not. And I probably won't be able to use it. I'm in New York. I'm not even allowed to go and play it with my magic internet money. So let me see if I could get Crypto Jack in here. I'm gonna let him in. And I do think, again, guys, we should be smashing these likes if you could be so kind, because we have a goal of 100 likes and 100 live viewers. So again, I'm gonna see if we could get Crypto Jack here. Hey yo.
Hello. Hey, how you doing?
Good. How are you? We're live with the Zesty fam. So how's everything going for you? How's the markets treating you?
Pretty good. I cannot complain. Everything is looking up. We're making new yearly highs. I mean, it's finally exciting, right?
Yes, I'm so happy. And honestly, we've been waiting for this bullish momentum to come back into the market. It's just a matter of when, because the volume, I don't know if you've been looking at the volume that much, but it's been kind of just a little lake, nothing going on, a little lazy river.
Right, right. There's really not been a whole lot going on there as far as volume goes. So it's nice to finally see. Let's call it a lack of sellers rather than just like big sweaty bullish momentum coming in.
Yeah, I think that's good though, because I think like we had bullish momentum coming in on our initial run from like 20 to 28. And I think a lot of people are just unsure of where to put their money at this point. I mean, how do you feel
Right.
about the whole like banking issues and everything going on right now before we hop into the charts? If you have any thoughts you want to share there.
Yeah, I think that most depositors are probably going to be safe, but I do think that the people in charge, the powers that be, have adjusted the incentives to make it so that most people are more likely to put their money with the bigger banks and less so with the smaller banks. And I do believe that this is like a chessboard move, that this is intentional because we already know that right around the corner is these new CBDCs, the Fed now, whatever it's called. And I think they've even said this, that the government plans to roll that program out through the larger banks.
Yep.
I think it's all, I don't know. It feels like calculated.
Yeah, a little bit because it's like all these other regional banks are scared because large depositors, if their bank goes down, they want to be more secure. So all these large depositors are going to go to the bigger banks, and then
Right.
everyone's just going to default, go to the bigger banks. Everyone's trapped there. Then CBDCs are easily implemented from there because where is everyone going to go except for
Yes.
Bitcoin, which leads us
Exactly.
to our crypto beautiful markets.
Exactly. And this is why we have Bitcoin. Excuse me. And this is why the Genesis block of Bitcoin even referenced, the banking failures and the unfortunate decisions that governments have made in the past. So this is the whole reason Bitcoin's here.
Exactly. I agree. Are you ready to show us some charts? Because I know we
Sure.
had the Shanghai upgrade for ETH last night. We have Litecoin popping off a little bit. And of course, Bitcoin's above 30K, which I am so happy about. Finally, we were sideways trading for so long. I got
Yes.
bored.
I know. Yeah. It's anybody who does any kind of content stuff. I was like, you guys don't, I was telling my friends, I said, y'all don't understand the struggle of Bitcoin going sideways for 25 days and trying to live stream and like keep it interesting. Like that's real struggle there. But yeah, let me pop the charts up and we can kind of go through that.
Perfect.
Share. All right. Can you see this okay?
Yes, that's beautiful. Oh, I love it. So organized.
Okay. All right, so really what I'm focusing on just right off the bat is the Bitcoin side of things. And for the Ethereum maxis and all that in the chat, here's why, just right off the bat. I treat Bitcoin much like the tide. And if you can identify where there's a rising tide environment, you can kind of make a bet that all the boats are going to go up, right? So Ethereum or Litecoin or whatever, like everything's going to probably rise with it. So I want to kind of understand where Bitcoin is, and then everything else tends to take care of itself. So big picture here, every 4 years, Bitcoin has what's known as a halving. And that's where the supply that comes into the market that has to be bought to maintain the current price, that supply is cut in half. So we have a halving coming up in about a year away. Now, what's interesting to point out, that's what these orange lines are showing is each of the prior halvings. Right as you have a halving, you have a bull run on the other side of it. Halving, bull run, halving, bull run, halving, you can probably guess a bull run. But let's kind of zoom in on the pre-halving year. So that's where we are today. So 2019 was the last pre-halving year. 2023 is the pre-halving year today. So let's kind of zoom in on this and focus on what happened. We came into the year back in 2019, making a bear market bottom, and then made a really nice run up, basically running all the stops of anybody who had a short. We basically liquidated every single short for the full year before. They all got blown out. And then there was a little bit of recovery time right in here. I kind of delete this from what I'm actually seeing, because this was the COVID sell-off. Every chart in the entire world has this sell-off. So this is a pure black swan. But what I really want to focus on is the bear market bottom, running the stops, finding some consolidation, and then the halving leads to a big bullish bull run. Let's bring that to today. Well, we had our bear market bottom coming into the year, just like we had in 2019. We're certainly impulsing up. We're running lots of bear market low stops, or bear shorts rather. And what I think would be very interesting is coming as high as $50,000 during this current run,
Ooh.
just to stop out everybody who was short before giving it all back, say to $25,000. So imagine the brutality there. So any questions on that, Miss T?
Wow. No, because it kind of makes sense. Like a lot of people were even saying, like, do you think like 30K or like 31 is a resistance point for Bitcoin? Because a lot of people were saying, oh, yeah, we could break above 28, but then when we hit 30, we're definitely going down. And it just seems like Bitcoin's not going with that narrative. So I'm very like, you're like one of the only people that I've seen say something like this. And I find it really interesting.
It's interesting, right? So this is just purely charts. There's no feeling, there's no emotion here. It's just like, how would the most amount of people get utterly obliterated, right? And that's typically how markets behave, like longs and shorts. Imagine the sentiment up at $50,000. Let's say by June or July, if we actually find ourselves up there, everyone's going to be calling for new all-time highs. Balaji's right. We're going to $1 million. Like you can already kind of hear it in your mind.
Yeah.
And that's the Pico top, for this particular run. So I just think something like this would be interesting.
I could totally
now
see
stepping
that.
in a little bit different perspective here. There is a particular indicator that I like to use, which is known as a yearly pivot. And a pivot is a mathematical horizontal line that comes out on the chart. And I'm a big believer that both algorithms and hedge funds use these lines. I don't think it's by accident. And they pop onto the charts on January 1st and they do not adjust. So there's zero adjustment. So ever since we broke out of this falling wedge, I've had two targets on my chart, which was 33,000 and 24,000. And I think we're well on our way to 33,000.
Yeah.
So to me, this is where things get really interesting right here. But this move up to say 48,000 or 50,000 would be like the ultimate running of all the stops. To me, that would be the best case scenario to screw as many people as possible.
That would be absolutely wild if that was the case. If we went to 50K.
Yeah,
or like
100%.
we're close to it.
Right.
Wow.
So yeah. And again, I don't know if this is on my side, but it's kind of choppy, the audio. So I hope the audience can hear us.
Oh, no, your audio is perfect. Your picture is frozen, but we still see the charts and your audio is perfect. So we're good for now.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So other kind of interesting things, and I'll tweet all these out if anybody wants to take a look at these and focus on them more. But this bullish megaphone was very interesting to me. This was something we'd watched, during that period of 25 days of sideways that we talked about. I was trying to keep the energy, trying to keep the bullish, everyone look upward because this particular pattern is a bullish continuation type pattern. And then not only that, but on the lower time frame, if I can get right here, there was what's known as a Wyckoff reaccumulation. So there's all kinds of little things going on, but the takeaway here is there was lots of indicators on the charts that were telling us like, hey, this run is not over. And then I wanted to show that, we go from one trade range to another. Like here's where we are today. We're basically just kind of drifting sideways in yet another trade range. So I thought that was kind of funny.
Yes.
But yeah, so I'm going to stop sharing the screen and then we can chat a little bit.
Okay,
there we go.
perfect. All right. And I'm waiting for your picture to come back, but oh no, wait, did he glitch?
Am I glitched out?
I don't see your like person. I don't see your picture.
Got it. Okay, 1 second.
Okay. Yeah, because I think what you were saying was like really valid. And I think a lot of people will be paying attention to these levels, especially because above 30K, people are getting excited. A lot of people missed 15.5K Bitcoin. Now they're wondering like, okay, we basically doubled from the low. When when's my time to finally get in? And I think I could picture around 30K now, like people are like, okay, maybe I should make a move. Like maybe even if Bitcoin retraces, I have to be in at this point. I'm not sure.
Right.
Like, I don't know. And even like with Ethereum, this upgrade breaking 2K, but it seems like when I'm looking at the chart, right, it's like it hits 2K, then it doesn't want to be there. And it just slips right below. It's like 1,998. Why do you think things like that occur?
Yeah, so there's two things that are very interesting when it comes to Ethereum to me. By the way, is the video back? Did that come back?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, good. Two things that are interesting for Ethereum. Number one, Ethereum on the Bitcoin pair kind of looks like trash. So this is a way to just compare, like, if I have limited capital, should I put it in Bitcoin or should I put it in Ethereum? And right now it's just in a big macro downtrend. That could break tomorrow, right? Like to the a week from now, we could have a different discussion. But for now, it kind of looks like trash. So to me, what could be happening is that as this Ethereum is being unlocked, a portion of that, not all of it, but some percentage of that is being sold or shifted for something else, maybe for Sol, maybe for Bitcoin, like whatever. Like the way I was talking to my audience about this, and I'm not trying to be unfair to the Ethereum community. I'm really not, despite being kind of a Bitcoin maxi. But I was saying it like this. I was like, look, if everyone knows kind of about Mount Gox and all the Bitcoin that's eventually going to come back to those people. Do you think some percentage of those folks will sell? Like probably not 0%, right?
Yeah.
Probably not 100, somewhere in the middle. And if you have that outlook on Bitcoin, it's probably fair to have that outlook on this unlock for Ethereum as well. 15% of the entire supply of Ethereum is becoming unlocked. They'll roll out over like the next week or two because it's kind of like in stages. Not everyone can get out, instantaneously. So that's a lot of downward pressure. But here's the good news is if the Ethereum market can withstand that sell pressure for say 3 weeks, 4 weeks, something like that, it has a really good chance to basically rubber band snap and outperform Bitcoin in the coming weeks. So I'd be very careful right now, but look for an opportunity, downtrend breaks, that kind of thing. Use the charts to kind of give yourself an edge.
Yes, 100%. Because even the other day, we saw Bitcoin was going down a little bit, and then that's when Ethereum had like that nice daily candle jump up to like above $1,800 or like close to $1,900 Ethereum, and that's good. I like to see like difference of like some diversity and like the way the price action moves because we know like Litecoin, right? It feels free to move on its own. It'll go up 12% while Bitcoin's going down, and
Right.
usually Ethereum follows the tide of Bitcoin. But I like to see it move on its own, and I think if Ethereum starts to run, do you think maybe that could kick off alt season?
I do. Yeah, I think that's a really fair statement. So a lot of traders will treat Ethereum as the canary in the coal mine for any other alts. So whatever your favorite alt is, SHIB or DOGE or whatever, like everyone's kind of watching for Ethereum. And then as soon as it starts to move, they pound the 100x long or whatever on their favorite thing. So that's fair. Another thing to look at is Bitcoin dominance. And that's a way to, if you can kind of watch for trend changes. Recently, that chart has been going up, which again kind of implies like, hey, this is the Bitcoin show. Bitcoin's the thing moving, not everything else. If suddenly that shifts and starts going the other direction, even though Bitcoin on the dollar, like the dollar value Bitcoin continues to kind of drift up, then that would imply that it's going to be alt season as well. So what I'm trying to do and help the audience do is like build a sort of checklist where you're like, okay, look, Ethereum's breaking out, check. Bitcoin dominance is starting to trend down, check. And you can build 3 or 4 check boxes and suddenly you find yourself kind of understanding what the market's doing and position accordingly.
Absolutely. And you always have to have that bullish and a bearish case scenario because I feel like we're in a little bit of uncharted waters right now. People aren't sure if the 4-year cycle is going to hold up. We could go in. There's nothing really stopping in my eyes from Bitcoin going into a full-on bull market right now, other than like maybe a narrative that's supposed to be there. So I think you have to have that bullish and a bearish case scenario. Do you feel like more bullish feelings in your heart, or are you feeling like a little timid right now? Like you don't know how to feel right now?
I'll tell you what, I have 90% bullish feelings for 2 reasons. One, we had 25 days to break down and we didn't do it. We broke up, right? Like that was the time to do it. The market has spoken. We're going up. Number 2, there's precedent, like I was showing back in 2019. If we go from 30,000 to 50, that is a tremendous opportunity. And then if you have the wherewithal to potentially get out and look for reasons to get out, like maybe there's a chart pattern that shows up, a head and shoulders, whatever. And suddenly you realize, hey, I need to step out of the market and put your $50,000 to the side as it drops down to 25, you've doubled your Bitcoin back or whatever your favorite alt is. So there's lots of opportunities to come. I will say this though, I don't think this is the bull market. I really don't think that'll happen until after the halving, which is we're about a year away. But there's plenty of opportunity to have some fun between now and then.
I agree. I do agree. We're going up on a Thursday, fam. Thank you so much, Crypto Jack, for coming in
bet.
and breaking all of this down. I really love like when
Sure.
you come on here because like I do a little bit of a TA at the beginning, but it's not as zesty as when you come on and really like just show all of that. And I'm gonna look back on this later and like kind of like rewatch this part because I think what you outlined with the halvings was really significant and it's something again keep into consideration. Yeah, Bitcoin could go off the rails and not pay attention to the 4-year cycle, but this has been in place for years now, and a lot of people. It's with the psychology too. Like people going, like what you pointed out was so valid where, okay, yeah, we could run up, right? But then how do people get wrecked? People run up, they FOMO, then we have a drawback and people get scared. They're like, oh, sheesh, what do I do now? And I think then that's when Bitcoin says, nope, I'm going back up. See ya. And I absolutely love the psychology. So thank you so much for pointing all of that out. Absolute alpha.
Sure. You bet. It's always always a pleasure to be here. Always love your background. That's my favorite thing to watch while we're here.
Thank you.
So thank you.
Where can everyone find you, Crypto Jack, as I drop your links in the live chat?
Sure. Twitter is probably the best way to keep up with me on a regular basis. So I'm at cryptojacklive on Twitter, but my live streams are twice a week on Twitch. So that's twitch.tv/cryptojack. But anyway, thank you very much.
Awesome. See you later, Jack.
All right. See ya.
All right, fam, we're going to go into more news. See you later, fam. We're going to go into more news. I hope you guys enjoyed Crypto Jack. This is his Twitter. Please follow him. I just dropped the link in the live chat and in the description. This guy, oh my gosh, I love Crypto Jack. Can I just say, he's so cool. And again, this is his link tree that I also dropped into the chat. And also shout out, because it's on the link tree, to Coin Vigilante. If you guys want to check out Coin Vigilante, they have sick Bitcoin and Litecoin watches. So I would take note of that. They have ones for women. They also look good on men too. Like, I'm not going to lie. It looks pretty good on guys. So check out coinvigilante.com. I'm going to see if I could. I've posted about Coin Vigilante in the past just to show them some love. But I want to see what you guys are saying in the chat. Let me fix my thing. Okay. What are you guys saying out here? How do you guys feel about the TA? Hi, Will. Hi, Equestrus. Rain. Thank you for coming. I said hi to Cool Kid Jimmy already. Tom Crown, thank you, fam. Love you. GF, thank you for coming. All right. Crypto Billy, thank you again for your super chat before. Yes, Tom, they are fire watches. Yes. Colin McDonald, what's up? Kenny O, those are nice. Yes, they are. K9MM, you need one of those Bitcoin watches. Should I ask for like, Jimmy?
Because anything Billy can do, I can do better. Love you, Billy, my furry Bigfoot lover.
Shut up. Jimmy, you crazy. You crazy. I can't. I gotta take a walk or something. I gotta take a walk. Thank you so much, Jimmy. Wow, you just doubled Billy's. Wow, there's a super chat war going on in the chat. Oh, sheesh. Oh, Network Bits just entered. You can't mess with Network Bits. He's gonna get offended now. Wow, Jimmy, thank you so much, fam. So much love for Jimmy. My heart goes out to Jimmy. I'm like so grateful. Like, and this is the last Daily Zest of the week. So this is like a really good like end of the week kind of vibe. I'm so happy right now. What is happening? Yes, Kenny O, very zesty community. Jimmy, he's waiting for the Billy sneak attack. I'm dead. I can't. My face is so red. It's absolutely insane. Retro Mike, hi. Network Retro Mike, don't leave because of Network Bits. I want you here. Lazarus Hand, you're all good. Thank you for coming though. Oh man, thank you for coming. Chump Change is in the chat. Shout out to Chump Change. Yo, Chump Change. I don't think I told you. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I did when I went to the schools and stuff and I was talking about Bitcoin mining. I referred a lot of people to your channel, a lot of teens. I don't know if I told you that before, but I'm saying it again. Past, present, and future. G, thank you so much. Julio, what's up, man? That's a lot of future bagels. Absolutely. Destroyer 1911. Hola, thanks for coming. Boo Man, what's up? I don't know if I said hi to you today. Janky Handles, what's up? Bullish Bradley in the chat. What's up? All right. Wow, we have so many cool kids in the chat today. Thank you guys so much for coming. If I didn't say hi to you, please say hi and make sure I say hi to you. DD, thank you for coming. You're so funny, Jimmy. You're just starting to trouble. Execution, thank you so much for the hat. I love those. He just put a hat on my head. That's so dope. This is K9MM. You're so right. This is the dopest community in crypto. 3 Diglets, and thank you for that super chat from before. KO, hi from Thailand. Hi from NYC. Thank you so much for coming. Wow. Oh, BBB, what's the count? I got it. Hold on. So the live count, I'll show you actually right now. I won't even front with you. So BBB is asking in the chat, what hour count for... Oh, Boo Man!
I can't beat Jimmy, but here's my 2 bits.
Boo Man, thank you so much for your 2 bits. I appreciate it, Boo Man. You're so cool. You're a member too, so you're extra zesty. Thank you so much. What's up, Mr. Strap? Thank you for coming. All right, so this is our live count. We got 10,977.
Only one super chat boss up in here, Jimmy. Smiley face, smiley face, smiley face. Raised fist, raised fist, raised fist, raised fist.
I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to do. I got cookies because I'm stressed. Crypto Billy, you literally just gave me a $200 super chat. Why did you do that? That is so insane. You just spent so much money on me. All of you did. Why are you spending so much money on me? That's crazy. You guys are crazy. I got a Hershey kiss for you and Jimmy. Here's a kiss for you guys. Sent it through the computer. I got some cookies for you guys too as a gift back. Here's some chalky chip cookie. They're not mine. I didn't bake these, but they're pretty good too. Wow, I'm bewildered. I'm absolutely bewildered. Like, wow. Wow. Okay. Thank you so much, Crypto Billy. Thank you so much, Jimmy. A $200 super chat. This is the best chat in the game. Let me just tell you. I never saw a better live chat, and I'm not just saying it because it's the Zesty Miss Teen channel. I'm genuinely saying it because I mean it. This is like the best chat I've ever seen in my life. Dave P, let's go cookies. Yeah, you could have a cookie too. You could have a cookie too. Here you go. Get one from the box. All of you, right now, grab from your screen. Here you go. All right. Wow, I'm so like wowed right now. All right. Well, should we get back into the news now? I don't even know what to do. Kenny-O!
Are we going to make MTC cry today? God bless this community. Grateful for all of you.
You are
even Chair Pau.
Even Chirpow. Oh no. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what to do. I'm getting emotional. I am getting emotional. I'm not even going to lie. Like, I have so much news, but I don't even know if I could focus. This is ridiculous. I might cry today. Like, whoa. I am... Thank you so much. Like, I don't even know what to say. And you guys, I know Jimmy has a family. I know Kenny-O has a family. I don't know too much about Billy personally, but you guys have families and you guys are you super chatting me. So, like, I'm so grateful for that. Like, it's not even funny. Like, that B team 100% pew pew pews. That was pewing the pew. I'm so shocked. Bulldog, no, you didn't.
We can't stay behind Billy and Jimmy.
Bulldog! Oh my god! Gary Gensler's gonna say I'm a security. Oh my gosh. I'm pumping too fast. I'm pumping too fast. Bulldog, thank you so much for the $50 super chat. I'm so thankful for you guys. Like, I cannot believe this. Where did this come from? What? Oh my god, you guys see how red my face is? It's almost the same color as my nails. Like, this is ridiculous. I'm warm. I'm toasty. I have the fan on too, and I'm toasty. Oh my gosh, like Why is this
I forgot this was last one before the weekend. Here's a little extra for the tip if you go out.
Boo man, you already gave me a super. Oh man.
Let's go, gents. Almost have her there.
What is happening? Do you guys see the? I'm emotional. My eyebrows are out of place. What? Oh my god. If I was like a small cap altcoin, I'd be like 100xing right now. This is a ridiculous amount of money. Please stop.
Oh, Billy. Better dig around in your purse for some change.
Oh my god, I almost fell. What is happening? I need the air conditioner. Oh my god.
The other half.
What are you... What is happening, please? What is happening? Oh my god. Well, what just happened? Oh man, twice. Thank you so much. Boo man, I'm literally crying. Jimmy, thank you so much. I don't even know what to do with myself. I don't even know how to be. Like, I don't even know. Stop it.
You're gonna be accepted in El Salvador as a currency now.
You are crazy, Lee. Lee. Oh my gosh, thank you. Gosh, we're mooning, guys. We are absolutely mooning.
I wanna be like missteencrypto when I grow up.
Alexandra G. Why did you do that? Thank you so much. Stop. You guys are too much. Lee, thank you so much. Oh man, Jimmy, Alexandra G, what? Boo man, Kenny O, Crypto Billy. What are you guys doing to my emotions? I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday, like I was a little like I wasn't like top notch zesty, but then today I was like, today's gonna be like a good day, and then this was just so ridiculous. I'm like overwhelmed. I didn't expect all of this to happen. I'm wowed. We have over 100 likes and 100 live viewers too. Let's go. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely wild, guys. This is absolutely crazy. I don't even know what's happening right now. I can't believe this. I am astonished. Thank you guys so much. Like, I'm actually, look, I have mascara on my finger now. Wow. Dave P, thank you for coming. FUD expert, thank you for coming. Wow, I'm so wowed. Thank you guys so much. David Brumblebee in the chat, Noji, Jaguar Cloud, Crypto Glenn, your super chat isn't being read out, but it should be here. If it goes through, then it should be there with everyone else's. Dude, I'm so wowed. Thank you guys so much. Balling on a budget, YouTube pay up. I'm probably not going to get this from YouTube for another maybe week or so. But you know what? Like, delayed satisfaction or delayed whatever it is, that I'm okay with that. I'm so overwhelmed. Thank you guys so much. Wow. Thank you. I'm overwhelmed. Thank you so much. And I don't even know what to say. Definitely the best chat ever. Absolutely ever. And we have almost 11,000 subs. We're 22 away. So if you guys want, definitely share out the stream, share out the hype, and let's get more people in here and let's get more subscribers. And let's have an 11K party. Tom, thank you for the rose on TikTok. I appreciate it, man. Wow. Definitely high rollers in the chat, man. High rollers. Wow. Balling on a budget, drop Bitcoin address a lot faster. You guys could actually send crypto through this link right here, and it also still pops up on the screen. Here you go. That's what Bullduck did. Wow, I'm so delayed gratification. Yes, Matt. Wow. Thank you guys so much. Overwhelmed. And we went up a sub. Let's go. All right. Wow. Thank you guys again.
Change the name of this stream to missteencrypto breaks $2,000.
Dude, I am the beholder. If that, dude, I would probably like lose my noodles. I would be sitting there crying. Thank you so much, I have the beholders. $5. You're a blessing. All of you guys are a blessing. I can't. Thank you so much. I'm like, okay. News. That's a thing. That's why we're here, is to do the news. I can't believe how much what's happening here. What is happening here? Oh, thank you, a mellow fellow, for subscribing. All right, we got some action out here. We got action in the chat. Game Freak, thank you for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate it. Guys, we're 20 subs away from... Oh!
Hola.
Yo, hola! Thank you so much, Sin City. Billy again, stop it.
Found some coins in the couch. Just for you, MTC.
Billy, you gave me so much money today. What are you doing? Thank you so much. I might break $2,000 today. What? Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say to you guys, because this is a crazy amount of funds that are being thrown in this chat right now. I'm bewildered. And as we're speaking, we're mooning. We're literally mooning on the sub count. We're literally 18 away from 11K. Guys, what a blessing. What an actual blessing today is. Crypto Chef, yes, he is the GOAT. Crypto Billy, Sin City, Jimmy W, Alexandra G, every single person that donated today is a beautiful individual. Everyone that liked this video, everyone who comments in this chat, I cannot believe it. I'm actually so wowed. Guys, where are these subs coming from? We're going up. We're still going up. Wow, what is happening? What is happening? All right. Maybe we'll do some news and we could calm down for a second. I don't even know what we were up to. Oh, yeah, guys, I actually really want to talk about this for a second, because Texas State, the Senate passed the bill to limit Bitcoin miners' participation in their response programs, right? So this was something that limits Bitcoin miners participating in demand response programs, under which they get paid in credits to turn off their operations when a power grid sees a surge of demand. The House vote was expected to be more contentious, but it has to be sent to the House. So there's a lot of stuff happening, but the Satoshi Act Fund is who's behind it, aka Dennis Porter. So although this anti-mining bill did kind of pass, he said that we were fortunate to get a senator to vote against it. We're on to the House, where we will do everything possible to get the digital chamber and Texas blockchain to kill the bill. So hopefully we could still come through with this. And can you guys please follow Dennis Porter? This guy does so much with the Satoshi Act Fund, and not a lot of people give him the credit he deserves. So please, guys, give Dennis Porter a follow, please. It would mean a lot to me. Oh, no! Wrong one. No! Thank you so much, man. Thank you for the $1 super chat. I appreciate you so much. But yeah, please, guys, please give Dennis Porter a follow. He does so much, and he doesn't get the credit a lot of the time he's going state to state, advancing Bitcoin policies, doing the Satoshi Act Fund, literally going to regulators about Bitcoin mining and trying to protect our space, and give Satoshi Act Fund. I don't know why I'm not following them yet. But please, I know I've posted their tweets a bunch of times, but please follow Satoshi Act Fund. Please follow Dennis Porter and support his efforts for what he's doing, because there's a lot of people in this space that are here, but there's a few that are really doing on the boots adoption, on the ground, boots on the ground adoption. I'm sorry that came out so backwards, but boots on the ground adoption is so important. That's like one of my goals is doing that. I go to schools, I go to all of these events, and I try to educate people on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. He's doing this, but with the actual government and talking with lawmakers and regulators. So again, we need people doing boots on the ground adoption, and he's one of them. And he's doing this again with the Satoshi Act Fund. So please give Dennis Porter and Satoshi Act Fund a follow. It mean a lot. Oh, nifty guys, stop it. That's such a cute little thing you said. You think thanks for being you. Well, thank you for being you. I'm so happy. I don't even know what to do. Like, I literally don't even know what to do. I'm like actually crying. Oh my god, it's gonna like go down my face. Thank you guys so much. Like, this is just a crazy amount of money in this chat. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna keep it together. I guess cookie time, Kenny-O, guys, please. Take a cookie. There you go. Oh my gosh. Ozzy, we need to hear a song. What kind of song you want to hear? You want me to sing? No, man, I can't sing. I can't sing. Oh my god. I need a tissue. This is insane. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna like get my stuff together. Gucci Con.
And another one.
Shut up.
MTC to the crescent moon. Invest now. A chump change ext mining and crypto made me do it. Keep up the good work.
What is happening?
Keep up the good work. What? Thumbs up.
Hold on, I need a second. I don't even know what to do. This is actually wild. What? All right, so can I just want to thank everyone for those like that was just that was spam. That was spam. I don't even know what to say. Okay, what just happened? So we have K9MM. Thank you so much. Who is next? Gucci Con. Thank you so much, Gucci Con. You're so cool. I love your name, man. And Joker Miner, thank you so much. No, Armani!
Might as well join the party.
Armani, no! No, you didn't! Guys, please drop a yar in the chat for Armani. Me and Armani have been yarring together for years, man. You guys are already yarring and I didn't even say it yet. You guys know me so well. You know Armani so well. Ah! Oh my gosh, stop. Actually, stop the madness. Stop the madness. Dude, what is happening? Oh my gosh, it's all over me. Gosh, I cannot believe this. I'm actually crying. This is insane. I cannot. What do you guys do?
This is legend.
Shut up!
Smiley face.
Shut
flexed
up!
biceps.
Jim! Jim! Can chat too? Ken, please, dude. I'm trying to keep it together so bad, but it's not working. Like, this is actually insane. Like, I just went live today. Oh my god!
I'm a grown man and you're making me cry. Never give up. You are loved.
Stop!
Don't want to feel left out. Smiley face.
Thank you. Oh my god. I don't even know, like, that is so ridiculous. That is so ridiculous. Like, I try not to cry on streams, man. I try not to cry on the streams, but Armani, thank you so much. Like, Retro Mike just gifted 10 memberships. Oh my gosh. Lazarus, Dangerfield, thank you so much. Eye of the Beholder, thank you for becoming a member. Like, I don't even know what just happened. I'm so wowed right now. Jim, I love Jim, man. He had the coolest vehicle. Another one.
Thanks for molding minds. 100, 100.
Big Dog, thank you so much, man. Oh, I don't want to make anyone cry, but this is crazy. It's just like one after the other. Like, what are you guys doing, man? Like, this is... Like, what? There's 100 people watching me cry.
You get back the love you give to the viewers.
Bulldog, you already super chatted me. Thank you so much. I need another tissue. Whoa. All right. Another.
Zesty is an understatement. You're amazing.
Crypto Chef, what do you... Thank you so much.
I'm crying vigorously as well.
Diglets, no, don't cry. Thank you so much. I just don't even know how to feel. Like, even Gary Gensler's here. He's gonna say it was security. He's gonna arrest me.
From the Dog Army.
From the Doge Army. Thank you. I love Doge. Thank you so much, Lord of Cages. I love Doge. Silosis, we are lit.
We lit.
This is probably the most lit stream I think we've ever had. Definitely emotional. I cannot believe it. All my mascara definitely came off, fam. Thank you, Taco Destroyer, for giving me a taco. Oh, and thank you. You said I could be... You guys are my emotional support group on TikTok. Well, thank you. You guys are just watching me cry. I can't believe it. Are we over 11K subs yet? I don't know. No, we're not there yet. We got 12 left, guys. Dude, if we hit 11,000 subs on this stream, I'm gonna, pass out. Pass out. Guys, I don't even know it. Wow. Gary Gensler said, what the hell is happening? I want to know now. Gary, I don't know. This is just a rain war right now. This is just... I'm just crying my eyes out. Like, that's what's happening. I need another tissue. I'm sorry. Jeez, guys, what are you doing? What are you doing to me? What's happening to me? Oh my gosh. Wait, Ken said something? Oh no, he got a membership. Also, shout out to Ken Bozak, man. I love that guy so much. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to do. I have I have so many news stories, but I can't even do them. I'm freaking losing it right now. I'm actually losing it. Oh my gosh. Okay. You guys have seen me cry like a lot. I'm like crying. I'm laughing so much. Oh my god, this is like so much love. Like I don't even know what to do with this. I'm not like, this is so much love. My hair is a mess. I literally love this chat so much. No, stop. You don't. Thank you so much for the $1. I appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. No, you comment on my stuff all the time. John,
Better late than never.
you could have bought a number 1 at In and Out with that $10. Thank you so much. Oh, my eyes are burning. My eyes are burning. Stop it. Stop, Will. Will. Thank you so much, Will. No.
Bullish on impactful youth like you, Miss T. Heart.
What? Just 9 ETH. Thank you so much. Dude, this guy means so much. Like this, all of this means so much to me. Like I don't know. Sometimes like, you know, I'm just a human, you know? Like I always try to be positive on social media, and like I've been on crypto Twitter for almost 3 years. My 3-year anniversary is coming up in like 10 days of 3 years being in this space. I created missteencrypto when I was 17, and a lot of you guys that were there when I was 17 are here now. And even the new people joining, I'm so grateful for all of you. This is crazy. Are we at 11K yet? We have 10 left, guys. We have 10 left until 11K subs. Wow, I did not. Look at all these news articles that we have. I just can't even focus on it. I can't believe this. This is actually freaking wild. I love this space so much. And you guys see that too, because even sometimes when I get spicy on Twitter, it's only because I love this space so much. And I'll always be here to be here for you guys. I'll always be here for the space. I love cryptocurrency so much. I love the revolution that we are a part of to the top degree. I can't even believe, I can't even put words to how much I appreciate all of this love. Like whether it was a like, a comment, a view, a super chat, every single interaction I am so grateful for. This is so wild. I could have never asked for anything like this from you guys. Ozzy, you came for the spice, but you stayed for the zest. Thank you, man. Oh my gosh. Yes, Dad Bod Baboon, I washed my hair today. The curly hair is back. This stream has become 11K countdown party. Yes, we have guys, we have 7 left. We have 7 left. Oh my gosh, the FOMO is real, K9MM. The FOMO is real. Guys, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. We're hitting 11K on stream. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Crypt 8 Boy, thank you, man. Jonathan Schaefer, thank you for coming. Dave Digital, Ozzy, everybody. I am just so wowed. No words, guys, at all. I'm so speechless. There's never a time where I'm speechless, man. Jonathan, thank you for subscribing, man. We have 5 left. 5 subscribers left. Daddy-o! Thank you. $11.11. That's such a beautiful number. Stop it.
Donating my membership back. Keep up the good work. Your impact is greater than you know. 0.000500000 BTC.
Balling on a budget. You just gave me $15 in Bitcoin. I love that so much. I'm so dead. Oh my god, Filtered Life, you sent me pumpkin pie, cloud bread, and a turkey. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And you gave me a crown. Thank you so much. That was so cute. Oh my gosh, thank you. Guys, please share out this stream. Let's get all the subscribers. We have 1 left. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Subscribers. We are smashing it. We are smashing it. Oh my gosh. Guys, we crossed 11,000 subscribers live on the stream. Thank you so much for the corgi Filtered Life. That was adorable. Whoa. 11,000 subscribers amidst the crazy rain. What do I do now? What do I do? I'm overwhelmed. Filtered Life, you gave me 3 flames and 3 chilies. Thank you so much. You're raining on me over there. Why are you raining on me? Thank you. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to do. Guys, we crossed 11,000 subscribers on stream today. We just gained like 30 subscribers together. Filtered Life, you sent me another turkey. Thank you, Rich. I appreciate you so much, guys. What is happening? What is happening? I am... People...
A congratulations is in order.
Thank you, Lord of Cages. You sent me another 10. What is this? I just don't know what to do. I'm wowed. I am absolutely wowed. Guys, look at that. 11,000 subscribers. We've made it. We made it. Guys, I think my thing is overwhelmed. Ozzy, you became a member for 5 months? Thank you so much. Bulldog again?
Congrats, Randy. You deserve this.
Another $10. What do you do? Bulldog.
Grats on 11k subs.
Brian.
LFG Miss T, double exclamation mark, heart, man dancing.
What are you guys doing to me? 9 ETH, you already donated. Ozzy, you just became a zesty friend for 5 months. Not just a friend, but a zesty friend for 5 months. Thank you so much. Wow, Brian, 9 ETH, Ozzy, Lord of Cages, Jimmy, Billy, Armani. What is happening? You guys are absolutely wild today. Daddy, like everybody. And Will, like Alexandra, John Germain, no, like, what are you guys doing? Like, this is a lot of money.
Huge
Armani
love
too.
from the
Jamie,
lifers.
thank you so much for the lifer love. I love the lifers. Please shout out to Crypto Lifer and his community. You guys are such beautiful people. I don't even like. I don't even know what the frick to do right now. I'm joking. joking. I'm joking. No,
I just
another
wanted
one.
to be cool.
Lifer friend, you're always cool. Thank you so much. Lifer friend, what is happening? Thank you, Filtered Life. Thank you so much on TikTok. I appreciate you. What is happening, guys? Thank you so much. I'm so shocked. Like I already Okay. This is amazing. I don't even know what to say.
Fruits, watermelon, of your bear market labor.
$20 from Maddie Light. Are you a brew of beer? Are you a brew? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I cannot believe my eyeballs. This is incredible. Thank you guys so much for your support. Like, I can't even comprehend what just happened today. We have over 11,000 subs on stream. We went over one news story. We had Crypto Jack. And I had so much more news, but I can't even get to it because I'm so bewildered. Have fun doing taxes on this, man. I need a professional. I need a professional. Oof, my screen glitched.
Just because best chat ever.
Oh, man. Thank you so much. I said that before, too. Oh, man, this is the best chat ever. We are breaking YouTube. There's over 100 people here just watching us all cry together. This is insane. Thank you guys so much. We are at 11,006 subs. 162 likes right now. We got 124 people watching this stream. Guys, we're breaking YouTube. We're breaking the internet. Gary Gensler's going to deem me as security because there's too much and there's too much expectation of profit or number go up. This is so ridiculous. This is so ridiculous. I'm so grateful. Thank you for subscribing, R.A. Daniel. Let's go. Daniel, back at it again with the white vans. We got Chuck Finker. Welcome to the channel. Guys, let's moon together. Let's absolutely moon. Cozy, what's up? You got your alt subscribing. Thank you so much. Oh, man. Oh, man. Where are all these subscribers coming from? This is insane.
Well, hey. If you're a friend of Crypto Life, you're a friend of mine. Angelic Face.
Bryson. Thank you so much. What? Thank you so much. A lot of you guys are like new to the chat as well. That are wow. Wow. Thank you so much. Like, I don't even know what to say. Bryson, thank you so much. Like, what? This is crazy. Thank you guys so for your support. I can't even believe this is happening right now. I cannot even believe this is happening. Oh my gosh. Gary Gensler, you're going to investigate me. Please be nice. Please be nice. I'm just trying to be a girl in a crypto world, in the metaverse.
Keep it up, fam. Doge gang at no 2,322.
Shout out, no. Thank you. Thank you for the $2 super chat. And we got Don Manning. Thank you for becoming a member. Guys, please, for all the new members today, show off your member emojis. This is a Zesty channel with Zesty memberships with Zesty emojis. So please put them in the chat. Showing off if you're a member. Let's get after it. This is crazy, man. This is absolutely insane. Wow. This is crazy. This is crazy. Tan Mambo, yes, we're going to the moon. We are absolutely going to the moon. This is The last Daily Zest of the week, fam. And I don't know if it could have gone any better. Wow, we achieved our goal on TikTok. Thank you so much. 9 ETH again.
You deserve abundance, Miss T. Party face.
9 ETH, man. You're crazy. You super chatted me like 3 or 4 times today. Thank you so much. Thank you. Guys, I work so hard. I love this space so much. It's not even funny. Like, I literally love this space. And I love every single person in this chat. Just wow. Like, I don't want to start crying again.
11K wowzer.
You just gave me $75, Joker. What? Oh my god. Gary's right. Joker ain't joking. That's the only thing Gary's right about. This guy just gave me $75. I'm literally crying. I'm trying not to cry. Like, I'm literally just trying not to cry. I'm taking a breath. I need a sip of water. Okay. Whew. You guys could tell, like, my eyes are so swollen right now. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Joker. Like, I can't even believe that this is happening. Let me read the chat for a second. We got 1,007 subs. Jimmy goes back to the news. How do I go back to the news? Oh my god, we got Jerome Powell. He's gonna tell me the inflation on the super chats is too high and he wants to bring down the inflation. Is he gonna bring down the inflation? Jerome, please don't be here to be mean to us. Be nice like Gary. Be one of us. Okay. Powell's printing money. Then he's gonna make our super chats worthless. But no, they're not. They're worth everything to me. So, dude, I cannot with this inflation. Jerome Powell, you gotta fix it, bro. Okay. Whew. KG, you said you stepped away for 10 minutes and the super chats are still flowing. It's so much. The super chat printer is on. Oh my gosh. Gary says Papa Powell Burr. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to like... Whew. Okay. This is insane. Woo. Woo. Ninja, thank you again for another 100 emoji. This is crazy. This is crazy. Wow. Literally, BBB, I'm going burr. Like, I don't even know what to say. And, wow, okay. Yeah, I need to, like, go touch grass or something. We have 11,008 subs. And while, again, I still have a lot of people here, I don't even know what to say. Like, I don't. Except that, like, this is an amazing community. Best chat in crypto, period. I care about this space more than you know. I get spicy on Twitter sometimes. Yesterday I got spicy on Twitter. But it's only because I care about this space so much. And we should all be inclusive. We should all love one another. Oh my gosh, Crypto Outcast.
Respect. What a great show.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate that so much. Crypto Outcast. You're here all the time. Bryson again.
Chase your dreams. It's emotional, but if you made it this far, just know the amount of support behind all you do. We are here for you. Keep it up. We love your content, smiley face.
Thank you so much. Like, I don't even know what to say. Crypto Outcast, thank you. Because I know you're here every day. Almost every day watching the show. So thank you for coming all the time. And Bryson, like, it's actually, like, thank you so much for that. Thank you so much. It is emotional. Like, you're right. Like, it is emotional. Like, it's like a roller coaster out here. Like I said, I'm always positive on social media, but, like, you know, it's crazy out here. Like, this is, like, one of the worst economic times, like, ever. But I don't care. Like, I will, like, people told me I was crazy for doing this. Family told me I was crazy. People told me I was crazy. Bitcoin is trash. It's a Ponzi. It's never going to work. How could you ever make content, do all this stuff, and not go to college and not follow that traditional path? And, like, you guys supporting me, like, especially, like, I just, like, overwhelming me with these emotions. Like, this is insane. It's just so the opposite of what I was used to. So it's like, thank you guys so much. Like, that's why it hits me so hard. I don't know. My tissues are so wet. I just don't even have a dry tissue anymore. But yeah, that's why it hits me so hard, guys. Like, I know we're having, like, a mini therapy session today, but this is, like, so crazy. People didn't support this path. They didn't think it was right. But I thought it was right because I believed in Bitcoin. My dad, of course, was behind me too. Because he believes in this space. I need another tissue. 1 second. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Much wow isn't even the word, man. This is crazy. Digital asset news. Rob just came in. Rob probably thinks I'm crazy right now. He's like, why is Randi crying? Do you see what's going on? Rob, you gotta see what's going on. Like, you gotta see what's going on. This has been an hour, like almost an hour of just, like, so much love in this chat. I am so grateful for every single one of you guys. Another super chat.
Just bring the books.
I know, but this aren't even real tissues. I'm not even like, I'm so lazy. I didn't even go to the kitchen to go get real tissues. I literally went over to the table and got a napkin because it's more heavy duty. Oh my gosh. I will stay positive, Miguel. I will. I absolutely will. I cannot believe Mark Z. Yes. Heavy duty, yes. Okay. This is absolutely wild. I thought I wasn't gonna cry again. I cried again. Yeah, I love this space, like I said. It's so amazing, and the community is just like nowhere else. Like, I get so much support from you guys, like, it's not even funny. And I know Don Manning mentioned my good morning tweets before, that he likes my good morning tweets, and I've been doing Good Morning Crypto Twitter basically since I started. Like 3 years ago, I started Good Morning Crypto Twitter. Then all of a sudden, there were GMs that came out, and I'm not going to take credit for starting it or whatever, but I was really the first to do Good Morning Crypto Twitter, and I try to respond to as many people as I can every day. I literally sit on my couch every single morning. I get up, I do my thing, I sit down on the couch, and I spend like 30 plus minutes trying to answer as much people as possible every morning. Say good morning to everyone that I can every morning. because I love being able to say good morning to people. I love being able to like connect with you guys and have a little bit of like a good morning conversation, you know? Shut the
Let's go.
dude, Crypto Lifer, shut it, dude. Crypto Lifer just gave me a $200 super chat. What is happening? I don't even know what to do. Another one.
Much love, Randy, from the Doge community. Sparkling heart, sparkling heart, sparkling heart.
What? Oh. Okay. Crypto Lifer, dude, you absolutely did not have to do that. I know Crypto Lifer's probably crying watching me cry because he's an emotional dude too. Lifer, I freaking love you, bro. I literally love you, bro. Crypto Lifer. This guy is insane. And thank you so much, Mikkel, from the Doge community. I freaking love Doge too. I wouldn't give a sheesh what anybody says. Doge is cool. I've always supported Doge. It's merged mine with Litecoin too, which not a lot of people know about. You merge Doge, you mine Doge, you get some Litecoin and as a reward. You mine some Litecoin, you get Doge as a reward. It's proof of work. It's beautiful. So shout out to Doge and the Doge community. Lifer, I cannot believe you, dude. What did you do? I'm so like, wow, thank you so much. You made my week. Like, what are you guys? This is insane. It's actually insane. Thank you guys so much. Like, this is incredible. Like, it's actually incredible what's happening. We have 11,010 subscribers. We crossed 11,000 subscribers on this stream. Doge Zest, absolutely, guys. Absolutely. If you guys think Doge isn't gonna pop again, you're crazy. Elon's got plans. Did I pinch myself to make sure I was awake? I just flabbed a little bit. I went, boop. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. You guys are just sitting here watching me cry. But thank you so much. I just can't believe everything that's gone on today. Doge tips incoming. Dude, I love Doge, dude. Let's all spend some Doge. The Doge father has some plans. I totally believe that. I've been saying that for a while. And especially this eToro integration with Twitter, guys. Kevin Baker, what's up, man? Wow. Like, yeah, everyone shout out to Lifer. Can I just have a moment, friends? I'm gonna drop his YouTube link in the live chat right now. I'm so wowed by by everybody today. Wow. Alright, hold on. Crypto Lifer. Please, guys, give him a follow. Link is in the live chat right now. He's been on my show, and I was just on his show, I think, last week. Lifer's so awesome, man. All of you guys are so awesome. I appreciate every single person who tuned into this stream. Every single person who drops a like. Every single person that views. Armani, you said I have the best community. We have the best community. That's the thing, guys. Like, this is like, yeah, like, I'm on the screen and stuff, but like, you guys support me so much. Like, this is our community. I say like it's the Zesty fam because it's the Zesty family. It's not like the MTCers. It's like, nah, like this is the Zesty fam. We are all one family. We are all doing this together. And like I said, like a lot of you that were there when I was 17 are still here. You're still here. You're still supporting me. It's the best community. It's not I, it's we, guys. It is we. Exactly, Armani. Just yar to your heart's content. Listen, like, I can't do this without you guys. Don, you said, Zesty, like your veggie stir fry. I love stir fry. Stir fry is so good. I love stir fry. Especially when you go to restaurants and they give you like the stir fry and it's still in the skillet and then you put it down and it's still sizzling and it's like, tss. That's so awesome. Exactly. One nation, one people, one love, guys. Bob Marley. Do you guys listen to Bob Marley at all? I feel like everyone would be happier if everyone listened to Bob Marley and Skip Marley. I am just so wowed. Digital Asset News, you said you're sorry you're missing the whole story. You're talking to your son. That's okay, Rob. That's okay, man. Thank you for coming, Rob. Like, this is just crazy today. You guys like Bob Marley? Then please listen to Skip. I love Skip Marley. I think Skip Marley is probably one of the best artists out there. Digital Asset News. Is this about Bitcoin conference? No, none of this is about Bitcoin conference. I think that's because you saw my comment on Twitter yesterday. No. No. Even though what I said on Twitter, I got spicy, but it's valid. Very valid. But no, we're talking about like just everyone in this community, because I don't know what happened, Lifer. I don't know what happened, Rob, but I was live. I had Crypto Jack on. We were doing some TA, and then something happened, and then a bunch of super chats came through, and then it was just raining in love, and I just started crying a lot. So that's basically what's been happening. And we also crossed 11,000 subs here on the stream. We're at 11,011 subs. That's a beautiful number right there. I can't put words to what happened on the stream today. I cannot put words. I know, Lifer, I know you've cried, and it's like I try not to cry, but it's like I can't help it. Nash talking about the maxis. Listen, I don't want to go too deep on that, man. It's just so nasty. It's just so nasty. Yeah, man. Yeah, nifty guy getting into the Jamaican. I love Jamaica, man. I love Jamaica. I love the people, and I love Bob Marley. I love the Marleys. I love the music. And I love the vibe of just like one love. Like, let's all be one community instead of divided all the time. Which is kind of, again, like, going back to that tribalism. Like, there's no need for that. Oh my.
More love to you, Randy. Sparkling heart. Sparkling heart.
I love those
sparkling
hearts.
Heart. Much wow from the Doge community, dog.
Oh, you gave me so much love from the Doge community today. Thank you so much. Listen, let's go Doge, guys. Let's go Doge. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on Litecoin. Don't sleep on Doge. Don't sleep on Bitcoin. Proof of work. Guys, proof of work. I know, I love going live. This is the best thing. Talking to you guys. I love doing the show. And I love doing the news. But listen, man, I like talking to you guys too. This is just... It's insane. It's absolutely insane. But we don't... Thank you, Chump Change. I appreciate it. We don't need tribalism in this space. If one wins, we all win. A king cannot be a king without his kingdom. Bitcoin needs the other coins. It needs the whole crypto ecosystem to be where it's at and to keep prospering the way it should. NFTs bring adoption. Oh, NFTs weren't cool until they were Bitcoin ordinals. Then all of a sudden it's accepted and there's going to be an ordinal gallery at the conference. Listen, fam. Listen. Whatever innovation happens in this space, let it go. Let's innovate. Let's work together. Let's work together. Let's moon together. This is so crazy. You're a fan of reggae too. Yeah. Listen, 9th God, I see you agree with me. Yeah, listen, like I said, we all need tribalism. A king can't be a king without its kingdom. Bitcoin is king, but it needs the other ones with it. And I do believe in other technologies, and I don't think other people should be silenced or maybe ignored because they support other cryptocurrencies and things like that. Listen, you look at Bitcoin. Speaking of Charlie Lee, it's his birthday today. Who did the first Lightning transaction? The whole thing. We love Lightning Network. Lightning Network's great. But who did the first transaction on Lightning Network? Charlie Lee, the creator of Litecoin, and Jack Mallers. Give them credit where credit's due. And also, shout out to Charlie Lee. Happy birthday. I literally love this community. I will do anything to fight for crypto as a whole. As a whole, I will fight for crypto. I will fight for this space, and I will make sure everybody is represented because we all deserve to shine. We really do. If you are innovating, if you're a dev, you're creating something, there could be a blockchain that comes out tomorrow. There could be a coin that comes out tomorrow that blows everything away. And who's going to stop you from using it? Who could say, no, don't buy it because it's automatically trash? No. Do what you want to do. Do your own research. We wouldn't have gotten this far with Bitcoin and crypto if we didn't do our own research and stick in our convictions. If you said 4 years ago you like Bitcoin, people will look at you like you're totally crazy. Why would you do that? Bitcoin's a scam. And then you stuck in your convictions, and now you see that the world is heading towards Bitcoin. El Salvador using Bitcoin as legal tender. Do your own research, make your own decisions, and don't let anyone tell you, oh, sell this because it's not good. Buy this because it's better. No one has the right to tell you that. Take everyone's opinions with a grain of salt. I listen to other streamers. I listen to a bunch of things. But I take that information, I absorb it, then I execute upon that information on what I feel is right. Exactly, Matt. Fight for your right to blockchain. Fight for your right to blockchain. Don't let anybody else tell you what to do. Like, if I let people tell me what to do, I wouldn't be here right now. I did my own research. I felt that I loved Bitcoin. I love this space, and I saw where this is going. We know where this is going. To the moon, maybe one, but to saving people from a controlling financial system. This is what it's about. Guys, if we there's 10 more likes until we hit 200. If we hit 200 likes, that would be absolutely wild. Exactly, Nash. Don't be a zombie and look outside the box. Listen, if you're going to stick with like one thing that you like, whether it's like saying like, okay, like I went to the auto show the other day. There were a bunch of cars there and a bunch of car makers. Imagine someone telling you, oh, you can only shop at Nissan. You can't go look at Subarus. You can't go look at the Hondas. You can't look at the Genesis. Like, no, you're like, oh, but I want to go look at those other cars. No, those cars aren't good. They're like trash cars. But it's really good car. No. Bad. Not them. You do your own research and you get the car you like. Period. Guys, 5 more likes until 200. It's so wild. This is crazy. Thank you again, everyone, for being so supportive and listening to my rants today and watching me cry because this was super emotional. Oh my gosh, we're starting again. Ninja, thank you so much for your $1 super chat. Another 100 emoji out here. Don't buy a car or build one. That would be cool. That would be cool to like build a car and stuff. Well, it's ridiculous that that's the point. You can buy what you want with your own money. Exactly. Yes. But other people will try to tell you otherwise, which is why you have to do your own research. You can't just say, hey, like, you know, oh, that's sheesh. You can't buy that. Like, that's so ridiculous. Like, what? We came into crypto because we wanted to choose a different system. We chose to leave the TradFi system and enter a new system that we could choose what we want to do and feel free to buy and invest, send value whenever we want, to whoever we want, wherever they are in the world. We didn't come to crypto for someone to tell us, oh, nah, you can't go and buy this. You can't go and do that. That's craziness. That is craziness. Wow. That was insane. What we went through today, guys. A lot of emotion. A lot of emotion. We hit 200 likes. Let's go. I'm screaming. This is beautiful. 200 likes. Wow. Thank you so much, guys. I think like this is time for me to head out. I know I had more news today, but I'm just so like wowed by what happened today that I need to like decompress a little bit. And also I'm speaking of community, I love doing on the ground, boots on the ground adoption. On the ground adoption. That's what I love to do. And today I'm going to post the video. I think it should be all good to go. I think I finished it up yesterday. I did a little edity. But I'm going to post a video about some adoption and doing on the boots adoption, talking to strangers. So please make sure you watch out for that video and subscribe and follow all the channels. Keep my notifications on. So that way...
Not sure what is happening here, but shout out to MTC. Community was going wild in my Discord LFG. Mafia loves you. Candle.
Shut it. Frankie freaking Candles? Frankie Candles? You guys were bugging out in the Discord. Oh. I'm getting emotional again. You see the tears in my eyes again? I need to stop it. Frankie Candles. Oh, so much love, dude. This is like my New York brother, Frankie Candles. We gotta go get some pasta, Frankie. Oh my god, thank you so much, dude. Oh my god. Someone said, let's bring it, Mr. Beast. Rob, you're gonna have to watch the replay. Yes, definitely watch the replay and watch all of this unfold because this was... This was so wild. Oh my gosh, I'm actually emotional beyond. Hopefully I don't start crying again before I could close out this beautiful stream. But Tony,
I felt left out.
Dude, you didn't have to. Another $10, guys. Guys. This is another pump. I feel like we had like 3 super chat pumps today. I cannot believe what's happening here. Wow, you guys are FOMOing into super chats. Tony, man. Dude, what is happening? Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to do. This is so wild. Wow. Like, Armani, I've never seen anything like this in the history of ever and possibly forever in time of all time ever. Dude, I feel you to the top degree. I am like gonna yar from the rooftop after this. Like, you have no idea. I cannot believe you guys are FOMOing into super chat. I'm not like a low cap altcoin. Like, that could 100x your money. Why are you guys sending me your money? This is so wild. My hair's a mess. My face is red. I cannot believe you guys made me cry like you did today. I was hysterical before. Like, that was probably one of the hardest times I've cried in a long time from happiness. I cannot believe you guys sent me all this money today. K9MM.
MTC, Rocket, Crescent Moon, invest while you can. Send the BTC.
Send the BTC. You heard it. Let's send it, boys and ladies in the chat. Let's send it. Let's send it. We got 11,014 subs. We literally just, wow. We crossed 11,000 subs. How many subs did we gain today, guys? Like 30, 40 subs? This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. And we got Bitcoin still up. Doge is up too. Guys, we got Doge maybe heading to 9 cents. Shush.
Invest in MTC. LFG to the moon. Send the BTC. 0.000261224 BTC.
K9MM, you just hit $5 there and you just sent me some Bitcoin. You are going bonanza. Thank you so much. I don't even know where I'm looking. I'm looking into like the oblivion. I'm waiting for like the bright light to show and I have to like walk into the light. Like, I don't even know what's happening right now. Oh my god. Frankie Candles, thank you, man. Thank you, bro. Athene, you're a new sub. Thank you for joining. This isn't the typical stuff that happens here. I'm just like crying my eyeballs out today because of you guys. Like, this is crazy. We're over 200 likes on the stream. Like, we had a goal of 100 likes and 100 live viewers, and we are just smashing it, man. Smashing it. Yeah, no, we could do. Listen, Doge to the moon. Look at Doge right now. It's up 5.35%. We're almost halfway recovered from the Elon candle. Listen, man, there's plans for Doge. Even Floki, guys, there's plans here. There's plans here. Market Cipher telling us that we could head into some green money flow here, guys. Get ready. There's stuff that's gonna happen, guys. You look at the charts right now. Things can happen. Things can happen. We are bullish. We are bullish on him. Let's go, guys. Let's freaking moon. Let's get after it. This is absolutely beautiful.
Okay, here we go.
Where's the light? Where's the light? Where is the light? Oh my god, I'm trying not to cry. What did you say? Lifer, you just sent me $300 for I don't even know. Lifer, bro, I don't have words for you. I don't have words. You just gave me $300, man. And another $200 before. What is going on? I've never seen this many red super chats in my life. I've never seen this much in my life. David, thank you for subscribing. They limit you to $500. Sorry, Lifer, bro. Don't apologize. Thank you so much. I feel like I don't even know what I feel like right now because this is so much. This is so much. All we need is Bitcoin to go to 31 again. I might pass out. No, I'm not even joking. I'm like overheated. My face is so red. I'm so grateful. Like, I don't even know what to say. Everyone can everyone take a cookie or something? Take a cookie. There you go. Take a cookie. Wow. Someone said to do the news, bro. I want to do the news, but I don't even know like how to even. Wow. Okay. That totally just happens, and that wasn't FUD. That wasn't FUD. That was so real. We have 216 likes. That's my birthday. That's nice. I think I'm broken. I think I'm broken. I think my brain is broken because I can't even say words right now. We finally got over $2,000 Ethereum, guys. Let's freaking moon. We're almost 5% up on Ethereum. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at this $2012 Ethereum. Let's freaking moon. We got Ethereum. Got Ethereum mooning. I don't even know what to say. Even Market Cipher got some red money, some green money flow up here. Yes, that's the news, Rud Putz. I'm broken. The breaking news is I'm broken. Oh my god. Ozzy, thank you. What's that line in that song, Ozzy? I feel like you would know it. The best of the broken. That reminds me of a line in a song. I think it's something. The Black Parade. What's that one? That song, the Black Parade. Lyrics. I don't know. Is it My Chemical Romance? Yes. Oh yeah, this was the lyric that it reminds me of. This one. When I was young, my father took me into the city to see a marching band. He said, "Son, when you grow up, would you be the savior of the broken, the beaten, and the damned?" He said, "Will you defeat them, your demons, and all the non-believers, the plans that they have made? Because one day, I'll leave you a phantom to lead you in the summer to join the Black Parade." That's what that line reminded me of. I'm not sure it's that similar, but it did remind me of that because like I like the kind of sentiment like this reminds us of like the crypto community. Like people try to break us. They try to make us like feel bad. The non-believers, the demons maybe in our lives. I know it's very exaggerated because it's a song, but this is valid. This is like Satoshi saying like, "I'll lead you with the phantom to lead you in the summer." Like, and join the Black Parade and like absolutely make it. Like this is crazy. I cannot thank you guys enough for what happened today. That's the one quicker than you. You had the tune from SNL. Oh yeah. Got it. Yeah, that is what I thought about. Thank you guys for believing in me. Most of all, thank you guys for believing in me and being behind me in my goal of trying to onboard the next generation. I want us to be responsible for bringing in Gen Z and bringing in the generation that's going to make this space so special. And like a lot of people are like, "Ah, she's young, blah blah." But like, listen, guys, like I'm aware a lot of the money, a lot of the creativity, a lot of the innovation that will occur in this space will be because of Gen Z. And I just want to lead them here, man. And with you guys and your support, I definitely could. We could help onboard the next generation. We could really do this, guys. We could onboard the next generation. We will help bring Bitcoin to the moon. We will help bring this entire crypto ecosystem to the moon. We will bring forth independence, freedom, self-sovereignty. Listen, friends, we have 3 inalienable rights: life, liberty, and property. We deserve to live our lives. We deserve to have our liberty, and we deserve to have our property. And Bitcoin is your property. Thank you guys so much. Oh, Bitcoin Chris in the chat. Thank you, man. I love Bitcoin Chris too. We've been friends since like Clubhouse was exclusive and the cool kids were on Clubhouse. Guys, I have like 3 tissues. Oh my god, so much love to Chris. NBF Forum, thank you so much. Thank you guys for all the love in the chat. Like, I'm so grateful for you guys. You have no freaking idea. Like, I feel like I could just like float on a cloud the rest of the day. We got 220 likes. We have over 100 people watching. We've had over 100 people watching me cry for a little while now, probably like an hour. They are happy tissues. Sophisticated. Welcome to the stream. People must be very confused. They must have been so confused coming into this stream. Like, why is this girl why is this girl having issues? Oh my gosh, guys, we're pumping Guys, we're pumping. All right, so we had Ethereum running up to $2,014. Litecoin was just at 95, I saw. All right, I think 95 is going to be a nice level for Litecoin. And then we also have Bitcoin, $30,556 Bitcoin. We're having a mini pump. Now, friends, is this going to play out like this where we're going to consolidate, have a jetpack and fly like Ardman is saying in the chat, maybe sideways trade and go up again? I mean, listen, we also had CryptoJack on saying earlier that maybe we could fly up into the 40s and then retrace. Wow, this is insane, guys. I'm emotional and I'm looking at charts. Doge, I said, was up before. I'm hoping for 9-cent Doge, guys. If we could have some 9-cent Doge, that's a nice level right there. It's psychological. Guys, we're pumping because of you guys. We are pumping the markets, guys. We have finally green money flow for Bitcoin on the daily here on Market Cipher, guys. I need to see some pop. I need to see some pop. Let's go. Brian thinks we're going to 40K, then back down. I don't know, guys. I don't know. If you take a look at even the 3 hour, we're not seeing too much action. Let's look at the 1 hour. 1 hour, not too much. But this candle started off pretty nice, above 30.4. And we're starting to slide up, guys. We're starting to get up there. All right. Listen, guys, we could sideways trade for a little bit here. Maybe some meh. And then obviously we're breaking above here. Guys, this is super interesting. This is super interesting. If you guys are bullish, then make sure you guys are hitting those likes and getting ready for the run. We are pumping. 32.3 is the next target, then I'm down. Listen, I would like to see $31,000 Bitcoin. I know that this has been a little bit of a sideways range we've been trading in on the hourly chart between 29K and like 30.5. We gotta pump. We gotta pump it. Pump it up. Alexandra G's already singing it in the chat. Pump it up. We got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. We've got to pump it up. We got severe green money flow on the hourly here on Market Cipher. Bullish momentum just swung. Whoa. Am I doing a live tomorrow? I did not. Usually I only go live on TikTok and Instagram on Fridays. But I don't know. This makes me want to come back for tomorrow. But oh, Ozzy, okay, you're happy you got your song now? Pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. This is awesome. You guys actually want to hear my vocals. I don't even want to hear my own vocals. Thank you, Ozzy. Thank you for making me feel some love. Yes, there is Instagram Family Love tomorrow, so I'm live around noon on Instagram and stuff. I've been live here for like over 2 hours, and I've been crying for most of it. So thank you guys so much for all of your contributions, whether that was a like, a view, a comment in the chat. This was absolutely amazing. I don't think this stream could have gone any better. Again, like, I can't even put words to what happened today. And I know we didn't go into the news a lot today, and man, I'm going to attribute that to your guys' fault a little bit. But thank you so much. I appreciate you guys more than you know. Like I said, this is something that I guess like I needed a little bit. Like, I know you guys support me, and like just like seeing so much love in this chat today, like not even the super chats, just seeing like the positive sentiment in the chat today was just so needed for me. Like I said, I care about this space. I will do everything to help this space. And with you guys help behind me, I definitely know we can do it all together. And remember, this isn't like just my community. This is all of our community. Every single one of us has a role to play in adoption. And I want us to be responsible for bringing in the next generation of crypto and NFT enthusiasts. We will help that. We will make it happen. 100% we will make this happen. I'm not giving up. I listen, I'm probably the youngest person in this space in terms of like doing things for like, you know, doing classes and spreading adoption. I don't think there's anyone my age that's doing this type of content, and I wish there was. But I'm so happy that even though I was so young when I started at 17, and I'm still like kind of on the younger side at 20, like you guys just supporting me and believing in me and saying this girl is young but she can do it. Like, that is so wild to me. We're gonna do it. We're gonna make mainstream adoption happen, and it's gonna be because we're all inclusive. We include other people, whether you're Bitcoin only, you like Ethereum only, you're a Litecoiner. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We're all in this together. If one wins, we all win. Don't root for just your bags to win, because if other people don't root for each other, then we can't survive as a whole. I'm not talking about just crypto. Support people. Stop saying like, oh, I don't like what this person is particularly into. I'm not going to talk to them. Like, that's such a waste of time, guys. That's such a waste. It's such a waste. Just be nice to one another. That's it. That's like, out of all of this, that's all I'm asking you guys for. Have a good weekend, a happy Thursday, and be nice to each other. Let's be inclusive, and let's pump this freaking market. Let's pump the market. We're gonna get after it, guys. Get after it this weekend. Go outside and touch some freaking grass. We got this, guys. Spread adoption. Have a great weekend. And please watch out for my video. I'm going to post a short on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, anywhere you are on the social medias. Check out that video. It's going to be a nice on the street type video. I found someone that actually knows about Bitcoin, or do they? Oh my gosh, Boo Man.
Let's get another tip train going.
Oh, thank you so much, Boo Man. I appreciate you so much, dude. That's so nice. Frankie Candles, thank you. Go touch some grass, bro, and we'll go get some sauce together, bro. We'll go get some sauce. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Thank you for all of your support. Let's bring mainstream adoption. Let's be nice to one another. Have a great weekend. A happy Thursday. Thank you so freaking much. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day. Have a happy Thursday. A splendid weekend. Stay zesty, guys. Peace.